Hello everyone. Hope you're all having a great day and a great weekend. My name is Rukmani and I am from Pondicherry. My brand is called Sukam Handmade. The name has a meaning. As the name says, it is handmade, and Sukam in Sanskrit means a delight to. So when I wanted to start this as a project, I wanted um, whoever uses these products to feel the pleasant or they should be delighted, and hence I arrived a name as Sukam Handmade. And also coincidentally it merges with my son's name, who is my delight. So without any delay, I will just share two of the ranges in my products. My products are handmade, homemade, as Kadambari said, and I proudly claim that my products are chemical free, preservatives free, and as much as I care for the skin or hair or the babies or whoever, I care a little bit more about this planet also. So I make sure that none of my products are packed with plastic. So I choose sustainable way mode of packing. So the USP of my brand is the products are chemical free, preservative free, and also plastic free. So we ship pan India, and the prices of all the products are priced nominally. And if you shop above for 2000 rupees, we take the shipping. The shipping is free for orders above 2000 rupees. So I'm so excited to share about the hair care range. So, with the ancient days, we would hardly heard about our grandmothers or grandfathers or anyone in the family saying that I have hair fall or any issues related to hair, like hair fall or a very poor hair growth or graying of hair or lice or any sort of hair issues. They had a perfect lifestyle for all aspects of life. Like if you take their bathing routine, they had handmade powders or homemade. So to start with, I would introduce my homemade shikakai powder. This is the handmade. These powders are packed in the paper pouches like this. So to have an idea, I thought I will have a little bit here. So this is made of shikakai, rita, amla, abundance of neem, tulsi, aloe vera, hibiscus, amla, and a secret treasure of herbs which has been passed on to me by generations. So this needs to be mixed with water and applied over the hair and just wash it off. I would recommend this to use weekly once. And but not everyone will be feeling comfortable with washing their hair with the powder and then cleaning the bathroom. So that is why we have this shampoo bars. So these are the different um, bars I have. Shampoo bars is an adapted way of cleansing the hair with a more sustainable lifestyle. Like I said, we have so many shampoos in all the stores. We have so many stores, the small or departmental store. So how is this shampoo bar different from those you can find there? The very first thing is the packing. They are liquid in form, so they need to be packed in some plastic or whatever containers. But these bars are solid bars, so these come wrapped in newspaper. Like I said, I don't use entertain or any plastic packing in for my products. So these bars, if you look into the combination or formation, these are made of oils, luxurious oils and butters. I choose unrefined butters to get the straight therapeutic value for the end user. So, for example, this shampoo bar has shea butter and sal butter, which are very much better for hair or scalp or roots. And this is a shampoo come conditioner bars for whoever who has a frizzy or dry hair or a itchy scalp or hair psoriasis. I would suggest to have this. This has luxurious oils like borage oil that cures the psoriasis or itchy scalp. These shampoo bars are a perfect combination of oils, butters, and an alkali. So these are saphonified oils. These are put into curing for a month, and then you can use them. So what does this make difference for the environment or for you? Like I said, these are chemical free and preservative free. So these are free of SLES paraben. So these not only cleanse your hair, scalp, and give a soft and shiny hair. As you wash, the water does not contaminate the planet as well. So like the normal store bought shampoos, when you wash off, the water definitely contaminates the groundwater. So imagine the water wastage we are generating. Like an ideal family, if you say a 3 or 4 member family and washing their hair like once or twice in a week, imagine the water contamination we are exposing this planet into. But these bars are absolutely chemical free, and like I am into this business for about 1.5 years, and I can proudly say with the wide range of the customers I have and the references, each and everyone are kind enough to share the brand to everyone. With all this reach, I can say that this brand and along with the many other sustainable brands have been helping this planet and all planet from getting into contaminated. They are preventing, and also we are giving a handmade products to everyone so that we get the better of everything. And these are the products. These are hair mask. This is a hair mask both, and this is a hair growth mask. The color of these masks are purely due to the natural ingredients. If you see, you can see a slight tint of pink color, that is due to the hibiscus extraction. And this is made of mustard and black jeera. Mustard and black jeera are predominantly known for hair growth inducing. So these masks can be used for inducing the hair growth, arresting hair fall, and smoothening the hair. So just apply it over your hair and leave for some 30 minutes and wash it off with these shampoo bars, and you can see a visible difference in your hair fall control and hair growth. I do make hair oil. The color is purely because of the ingredients of so many herbs. Like I said, amla and karisalankani, the brahmi, bringa, and so many natural herbs. So you need to add an equal portion of coconut oil and then use it like a hair oil. And with the increasing demand, we also recently launched our Shikakai shampoo. This is a liquid in form. As you can see, this is a glass bottle. This is a hair serum I have. Normally, we are used to have conditioners which are chemical prone, though it gives a silky smooth hair, but it damages the hair gradually. So people started using hair serum, which is again a chemical, a combination of synthetic serums. I have come up with a unique natural formula which has aloe vera and oils, essential oils also. So this settle down the damaged and frizzy hair. This is a hair pack I have. This is a mix of herbal powders. Just mix with egg whites or curd at room temperature and apply over your hair. Leave it for some 30 minutes and wash it off. One of the most fast moving and demanding products of ours is the hair color. So with with the lifestyle change and increasing pollution and with all the stress levels we have these days and reduced sleep hours and name it, we that adds to the health of hair. So we with the growing of white hair or gray hairs, I had so many demands for having a hair color. So with an constant research and trials, and we came up with a hair color. This is 100% natural, chemical free. You can use this, but unlike the ammonium ones, you need to apply a couple of times to get the first catch of color. Like if you have an intense white hair, you need to apply for 2 to 3 times to get a first tint, and post that you can apply monthly once. So this is about the hair range I have. And moving on to the baby care products.
1 minute, Rukmani, if you can
Yes, Kadampari.
hold for a second. So, just for the viewers' benefit, as there are people coming in and leaving, so you are watching We Do Online Bazaar, and we conduct this bazaar every Saturday and Sunday at 5 o'clock. And this is by our We Do Workpeer members who are visionary women entrepreneurs who come up with their beautiful ventures, and we request most of you who are watching to forward this live as well as the video to your friends and encourage our women entrepreneurs by buying from our women entrepreneurs. And we're already having requests from a lot of people here and abroad who are showing interest in buying from our women entrepreneurs. So please do watch, do support, and try our women products because they put a lot of heart and soul amidst their regular household work that they have, which is quite mounting during the COVID period as well. So you're once again watching We Do Online Bazaar an initiative by Women Entrepreneurship Development Organization, and we do work here. So over to Rukmani once again. Please go ahead, Rukmani.
Thank you, Kadambari, and thank you, Vido, for this wonderful opportunity. Though we are putting so much of effort, but we require a channel or a platform like this, like Vido, to encourage us, to showcase us, because a reference or a network is always great for people who are doing self-employed business, because nothing like a reference. So when we have a good platform like this, more people come to know about our efforts and products, and it is a win-win for both of us, both of the user and for us. So thank you, Vido, and
Thank
I
you.
hope many of the viewers who are watching, men, please encourage your fellow members or women to like this page in Facebook. You can have a look over the online bazaars, like you can know the our ventures, and please support small businesses. Tough times like COVID especially, we need your support, because corporate, we are, though we are putting our heart and mind and soul everything into this, but a small encouragement and a word of referral would mean a lot for us.